Hello there, welcome into this new video. If you want to make dropshipping into eBay, let's say connecting an Aliexpress stuff, a product from Aliexpress to your eBay, you are in the right place. I'm going to be showing you what we can do if you actually want to do this into eBay. So first of all, there are a few things you need to understand. This one is called, of course, dropshipping. So what happens in here is that, let's say for example that you want to put in here this item. For example, I want to sell this item, I want to choose this item, I want to copy the list of these European brand jackets, men's joust, and whatever this one is called. So let's say I just choose to copy this image, go into selling on eBay, and here into the eBay, what I want to do is to have my account, right? So once I have an account, I want to go into evolve or change into selling a business. So in here, I want to change from a local purchaser, a client, from that into a seller. So what I want to do is to select the option that says selling into business. It's really easy to sell here into eBay. But if you want to list an item, you want to import that from other places, you can start to make drop shipping. It's going to be a little bit more hard than you think, because eBay does not allow the drop shipping. So what the purpose of that? What's the reason, the main reason of that? So if I want to say that I'm selling a jacket, I want to go into the search bar, and here I do have different options. So let's say I want to choose the without any match here, new with tags, continue to listing. And what I just want to do is to copy and paste all of this into my eBay, because since eBay does not allow me to make drop shipping, I need to add this like step by step, image by image, the sizes, the variants, the description, absolutely anything. So lastly, when someone purchases this item, I need to buy this directly from Aliexpress. And when I want to choose, when it's going to be asking me, of course, for the address, I need to provide the address of the client. So there are two mistakes here. Number one, the person that makes the purchase is not going to see in the product, in the package, that this one does not come from eBay. And of course, number two is that if I buy this from Aliexpress, I need to find a supplier that can ship from the country I'm currently based into the same country, so I don't have to wait up to 30 days or even 60 days, because if you notice by now, Aliexpress do have a lot of low prices, but it takes up to a little of even more than a month to send your item. For example, this one says estimate delivery on January 16. We're not even in the 16th of December. This one has been taking more than a month to send that into the client. So this one is going to be confusing a lot to your client. So from my point of experience, if you're just getting started into the dropshipping world, you don't want to do that. You don't want to confuse your clients. But if you want to figure it out, you want to start here, what I can strongly suggest you is to first of all try to import all of that information into the description. You want to say that this item is, let's say for example, imported from China. This item has an estimate delivery of 60 days, up to 60 days. I mean, up to 60 days. You want to import the original price, or let's say like the real price of the shipment, or you want to add that into the product. So if this one costs us like $10 and the shipment to that person is like just $3, you want to input that into the total price of the product, and you want to say that the shipment is a free shipment, something like that, right? So you want to input as much information as you can to not trying to not confusing our client. And that's how we can make dropshipping into eBay. So I just need to fill all the information here. I just want to input the prices, the offers, the shipping prices, the domestic shipping here, and then you are actually good to go. Now if you want to figure it out another way of making dropshipping without, I mean, using AliExpress but not using eBay per se, I mean, you want to use some other alternatives, what I can do strongly suggest to you is to have whether a own website or to choose another platform that actually allows you to make dropshipping. For example, Etsy. Etsy.com is going to be helping you a lot for making dropshipping. It do help you to make dropshipping. So what you want to do is to go into the DSOs. This is an application actually for making dropshipping. So what you want to do is to choose your stores. So I want to go into linked to more stores, and in here the DSOs application is going to be helping me. It's going to be telling me where I can add my DSOs application so they can make the process that we just did to import listing automatically. So that's the reason why I do love to have my Shopify account. And here into the Shopify, I do have my website. So I did link it to my store into AliExpress, I mean into the DSOs, which is actually the same thing. I mean DSOs come from AliExpress. So what I did here is to select a product, import that into my store, and automatically it's going to be appearing that into my products. So when someone buys one of these items, automatically these guys are going to be receiving the order and they're going to be sending that right away. And I of course tell them that these items come imported from China or wherever they have this dropshipping supplier, and the estimate time of the shipment process. So once the client knows whether this product comes and how much they're going to be taking to receive that, we are generating trust to our clients. So that's how we can start here into Shopify. So if you want to do the same thing into eBay, once again, I do recommend you to input all the information as you can into your description. Put as much information as you can. Tell them that this one does not come directly from eBay. It do comes from you or imported from other way. But you don't want to confuse the client. Please don't do that, because otherwise it's going to be just not helping a lot. And if you have a really great store already created into eBay, this is going to be generating you a lot of bad reviews and it's not going to be helping a lot, guys. So with that being said, hopefully this was a very useful video for you. Now don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to find out more information about these dropshipping suppliers from eBay. You do have Etsy, you do have Amazon. Amazon actually helps us a lot to making dropshipping, but I think that let's say adding products from AliExpress directly into Amazon, once again, is not allowed. So I think like the best option for you, for me, for almost everybody into the dropshipping world is to create your own website and try to add that. Try to create some ads and try to shout it to the world. So first of all, you want to create some orders. Generate by yourselves and trust, so people can trust more in you, because even if you are into eBay, it's not going to be assuring that you're going to be having a lot of success. So thank you once again for watching this video, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Good luck with that.